Namaste. My name is Sandeep. Today we are going to learn chair pose, also called as Utkatasana. This Utkatasana is a standing core strengthening asana. It also strengthens the body beautifully. It is in between the beginner and the intermediate level asana. Anatomically, if we see, it affects the heart, it affects the lungs, it affects the belly. It also affects the ankle, the knees, the thighs, the back, and also the arms and the shoulders. This particular asana helps to strengthen the arms, also the shoulders. It also strengthens the ankle, the calf, and the thighs. This particular asana is very beneficial for having a good body actually. Because when you hold this position nicely, your whole body starts becoming stronger. Friends, when you do this asana, it will also help you to reduce flat feet. Those who are having flat feet, it is beneficial for them because slowly the arches of the feet starts becoming active. Also, if you notice, it actually stimulates and strengthens the organs of the abdomen, also the diaphragm and also the heart. So this asana is a very beneficial asana. Those who have flat feet especially, this can be good for them. Now the contraindications, those who have headache, insomnia, those who have low blood pressure, they should avoid the practice. Friends, let's see the practice. In this practice, you sit as if assuming that you're sitting on the chair. It requires a nice thigh. So what you can do is you can take the support of a block. Keep a block in between and press the thighs so that the thighs are internally rotated and engaged. Very important to keep this engaged so that the strain on the lower back will be less. I will do without the block. So both the hands will be lifted. You stand in Tadasana. Now as you inhale, raise your hands up, and as you exhale, you sit down and hold here for a while. Let's watch this in the side view. You are standing with either feet together or feet little apart. If you are a beginner, let the feet be apart. If you want to challenge, keep the feet close. Now raise your hands up as you breathe in. And as you breathe out, you drop your buttocks behind, as if the weight is coming a little more towards the heel and the buttock is going behind. The knees will not travel too much forward. The knees will travel just a little forward. And you are sitting nicely as if the thigh slowly can become parallel to the floor. Even if it doesn't become, that's fine. Keep your arms engaged, shoulders relaxed nicely. And feel as if the tailbone is drawing down towards the floor. Feel as if this particular upper part of the thigh, the head of the thigh is going towards the heel. That makes the legs nice and strong and it will not strain. Hold this position for a few breaths. Engage the core. Hold for about 10 to 15 seconds and as you inhale, come up, and when you exhale, come down. Friends, legs are pillars of the body. If the legs are strong, you will be able to hold yourself also nicely. So this particular asana helps to have a nice and strong legs. Friends, if you like my video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can get update of the new videos also. If you have any feedback, any suggestions, please write to us. See you soon. Namaste.